Welcome back to Chilltalk English. Today, we have something very practical. We are going to plan a summer vacation, step by step, in simple English. And yes, this is also my way of pretending I have my life together.
Hi, everyone. I love this topic because it's real-life English. You can use these phrases for any trip: beach trip, city trip, or even a trip to see your aunt.
True. So, here's our story. We are helping a family plan a summer vacation. 2 adults, 2 kids. We will plan the trip, book a hotel, go to the airport, check in at the hotel, and do a fun tour.
And you can shadow us. That means you listen and repeat after us. Try to copy the rhythm and the feeling.
Great. Emma, first question. Where should this family go?
Somewhere warm, somewhere with sunshine, somewhere where I can eat fruit and pretend it's a personality.
Very specific.
Let's choose Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It has beaches, good food, and family activities.
Puerto Vallarta. Nice. Okay, I'm the calm planner. You are the fun planner.
That is correct. I bring ideas, you bring spreadsheets.
I don't bring spreadsheets. I bring mild worry. So, let's start with the first conversation. Planning.
Okay, imagine the kids are asking every day, "When are we going? When are we going?"
I would break. I would book something just to stop the questions. So, we say, let's finally plan our summer vacation.
Good. And then we ask a simple question: where do you want to go?
Exactly. Listen and repeat if you want. Where do you want to go this summer?
Where do you want to go this summer?
Emma, answer.
I'm thinking Puerto Vallarta. Warm beaches, clear sunsets, and tasty street tacos.
Great, now we choose a time. The original idea was August, but we will change it. Let's say early July. Not too late, not too crowded.
Yes, and we can say, when should we go? That is a very useful question.
When should we go?
When should we go?
And the answer, how about the first week of July?
How about the first week of July?
Now, money. This part is important. We need a budget. A budget is the plan for how much money you can spend.
Budget. Simple word, big feeling.
For the hotel, let's say their budget is around USD 3,200 for 6 nights, maybe up to USD 3,600 if it is really good.
And we need key things. For a family, a pool is a must.
A must means very important, not optional.
Also, they want space. Not one tiny room for 4 people. That's not a vacation, that's a test.
So they want a family suite or connecting rooms. Connecting rooms means 2 rooms with a door between them.
Great vocabulary. And maybe they also want a small gym for the parents, or for me so I can go once and feel proud.
Okay, so we have our plan. Puerto Vallarta, early July, 6 nights, budget around USD 3,200 to USD 3,600, pool and a suite.
Now we move to part 2, booking the hotel.
Yes, we call the resort and ask about availability. Availability means if they have rooms open.
Repeat, availability.
Availability.
Perfect. Now we need a new hotel name. Let's call it Sunwave Harbor Resort.
Sunwave Harbor Resort. Sounds real. Sounds like a place where I would lose my sunglasses.
Always. You would lose them on day 1.
Okay, let's role-play the phone call. I will be the guest first. You will be the hotel staff. Then we switch.
Deal.
Hello? I'm calling about your family suites. My family is planning a trip to Puerto Vallarta.
Thank you for calling Sunwave Harbor Resort. How can I help you today?
We're looking for a suite with 2 sleeping areas, 1 bed for the parents and 2 beds for the kids. Do you have anything like that for 6 nights in early July?
Let me check the dates. What dates are you thinking?
July 3rd to July 9th.
Yes, we do have a family garden suite available from July 3rd to July 9th.
Great. Now, I want to ask about services and amenities. Amenities means things the hotel offers, like a pool, gym, breakfast, Wi-Fi.
Good. Ask it, Henry.
What amenities do you offer?
Our resort is all-inclusive. That means meals and drinks are included. We have 2 pools, a kids club, beach access, a small fitness room, and evening shows for families.
That sounds great. And what is the total price for 6 nights for 2 adults and 2 children?
The total is USD 3,480, all-inclusive, for 4 guests.
Okay, that is inside the budget. Now, payments. We need to ask, how do you handle payment?
Yes, and also, do you require a deposit? A deposit is money you pay first to hold the booking.
Do you require a deposit?
Yes, we require a 20% deposit by credit card to confirm your reservation. The remaining balance is due at check-in.
Perfect. I'd like to book it.
Wonderful! May I have your full name, email address, and credit card details?
My name is Daniel Park.
Nice! New name, new story.
Now, quick teaching moment. If you are nervous on the phone, you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Or, could you say that more slowly, please? That one is very powerful.
Exactly. And you don't need perfect English. You just need clear English.
Okay, booking done. Now we jump to the airport.
Part 3. Airport check-in. This is where we practice travel English.
At the airport, we need passports, maybe a booking confirmation, and luggage.
Luggage and bags are similar. Luggage is the general word for your suitcases and bags. A suitcase is the big box with wheels.
And the staff will ask, do you have any checked bags? Checked bags go under the plane. Carry-on bags stay with you.
Let's role play. You are the airport staff. I am the traveler.
Hi there, where are you traveling today?
Hello, we're flying to Puerto Vallarta for a family vacation.
Great choice. May I see your passports, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. And do you have any checked bags today?
Yes, we have 2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
Okay, I hope they are not overweight. My partner packed 5 just-in-case outfits.
I support just-in-case outfits. Life is unpredictable.
The staff gives us boarding passes. Boarding pass is the paper or phone ticket that lets you get on the plane.
And they will tell you your gate. The gate is the place where you wait to board.
Right. Continue.
Okay, you are all set. Here are your passports and boarding passes. You are in row 18. Your gate is C7. Boarding begins at 9:40 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Now, a small tip for listeners. If you don't understand row 18, you can ask, is that near the front or the back?
Great. And you can also ask, what time does boarding start?
Okay, now we arrive at the hotel.
Part 4, Hotel Check-in. This is super useful English.
At check-in, you say, "Hi, I'm here to check in." And then, "My name is..."
And you may need your ID or passport and your reservation number.
Let's role play. I am the guest. You are the front desk.
Hello, welcome to Sunwave Harbor Resort. How can I help you?
Hi, we're here to check in. My name is Daniel Park.
Welcome, Mr. Park. Let me find your reservation. Yes, I see it. Family Garden Suite, all inclusive, from July 3rd to July 9th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your room is 512 on the 5th floor. Here are your key cards.
Thank you.
Your meals are free. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Lunch is from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner starts at 6 p.m.
Perfect. And how do we get towels for the pool?
You can get towels at the towel desk next to the main pool. Just show your key card.
Great. One more question. Is the kids' club free?
Yes, it's included. The Kids Club is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Amazing. The parents are very happy.
Now, Part 5, the room tour. This is great for vocabulary.
Yes. In many hotels, someone helps with luggage and they explain the room.
But today, it's just us, so we'll describe it simply.
Okay. We enter the suite. First, we see a living area. Living area means a small space to sit, like a sofa and a table.
Then, there is the main bedroom for the parents and a second sleeping area for the kids, maybe with 2 twin beds. Twin beds are small single beds.
Now we talk about things in the room. Mini fridge, safe, air conditioning, closet, hangers.
And you can ask for extra items like hangers, pillows, or blankets.
Let's role play a short room helper moment, but still only Henry and Emma voices. I'll speak first. Welcome. Here is your suite. The living area is on the left. The main bedroom is here. The kids' sleeping area is behind this sliding door.
Wow, it's even nicer than the photos.
The air conditioning controls are on the wall near the entrance. The Wi-Fi password is on the desk.
Great. Where can we find extra towels?
Extra towels are in the closet. You will also find slippers and a hairdryer.
Perfect. Actually, could we get a few more hangers? We have a lot of clothes.
Of course, I can send more hangers to your room today.
Thank you so much.
Now, quick language note. Could we get is polite. Can you give me is okay, but a little more direct.
And actually is a nice word to introduce a small request, like, actually, could we get more hangers?
Great. Now the family wants to do something fun outside the hotel. A tour.
Part 6, Booking a Tour. This is where we practice questions about time, price, and what's included.
We will call a tour company. New name, Blue Parrot Tours.
Cute. And the family wants something fun, a little history, not too hard for kids.
In Puerto Vallarta, a great family tour could be Old Town and Sunset Boat Ride, plus a short snorkeling stop.
Yes, history and water. Kids approve, adults approve, I approve.
Let's role play. You are the tour agent. I am the caller.
Hello, Blue Parrot Tours. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Daniel Park. I'm visiting with my family. We want to book a tour that is fun and easy for children.
Great. How old are the kids?
They are 7 and 11.
Perfect. Our Old Town and Sunset Boat Tour is very popular for families. It includes a short walk in the Old Town with a guide, then a boat ride at sunset, and a 30-minute snorkeling stop in calm water.
That sounds great. How long is the tour?
It's about 5 hours in total. We start at 3 p.m. and we finish around 8 p.m.
Nice. What's included in the price?
It includes hotel pickup, a guide, the boat ticket, snorkeling masks, and a simple dinner on the boat.
Great. And how much does it cost for 2 adults and 2 children?
So adults are USD 85 each, children under 12 are USD 55 each. So that's USD 85 plus USD 85 and USD 55 plus USD 55. That's $280 total.
Correct. Would you like to book it?
I need to confirm with my family first. Can I call you back in an hour?
Of course. No problem at all.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Beautiful. And listeners, notice this sentence. What's included in the price? Very useful.
Also, how long is the tour and what time does it start?
Now, part 7, asking for directions inside the hotel.
This is everyday English. You may ask for the gym, the pool, the restaurant, the elevator, anything.
We will ask, could you tell me where the gym is?
And then, how do I get there from here?
Exactly. Role play time.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. Could you tell me where the gym is?
Yes, the gym is on level 1 next to the spa.
Okay. How do I get there from the lobby?
Walk straight past the front desk. Turn left at the gift shop. Then take the stairs or the elevator down 1 level. You'll see signs for the spa and gym.
Great. Do I need my key card to enter?
Yes, you need your key card, and we provide towels and drinking water inside.
Wonderful. And what are the opening hours?
It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day.
Perfect. Thank you.
Now, that was so clear. Also, notice the direction words: straight, turn left, next to, past.
Great. Now, last part. Housekeeping and laundry.
Yes, sometimes you need clean clothes, especially with kids. Kids are like walking stain machines.
So you call housekeeping and say, I'd like to have some clothes washed. Washed means cleaned with water and soap.
And they may say, please use the laundry bag and the form. The form is the paper where you mark what you want cleaned.
Role play. I will be the guest. You are housekeeping.
Housekeeping, how may I help you?
Hi, this is Daniel Park in room 512. I'd like to have some clothes washed.
Certainly. Do you have the laundry bag and the laundry form in your closet?
Let me check. Yes, I see them. What should I do?
Please put the clothes in the bag and fill out the form. Then leave the bag outside your door before 10 a.m. Our staff will pick it up.
Great. When will we get the clothes back?
Usually within 24 hours.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
And that's the story. A full vacation plan, from planning to hotel life.
And you learned real phrases for booking, checking in, asking questions, and getting help.
Before we go, let's do a short, friendly shadowing challenge. Repeat these 3 lines after Emma.
We're looking for a family suite with a pool.
We're looking for a family suite with a pool.
What amenities are included in the price?
What amenities are included in the price?
Could you tell me how to get to the gym?
Could you tell me how to get to the gym?
Nice! If you can say those clearly, you can travel with more confidence.
Thanks for listening to Chilltalk English.
See you next time. And Henry, please don't lose your sunglasses.
No promises.